I just walked down Fifth Avenue from Rockefeller Center down to 42nd Street. It appears all the dead payphones that used to be along that stretch of road from about 50th Street down to 42nd. Looks like they're all gone, except for these two. I think I documented all of those back in January, maybe February. But this one still remains, or this set of two. I'm not even going to touch these. This is one of the ones that sometimes you'll find a barcode like this with the exact location. Yeah, what the hell? I'll pick it up. I didn't want to touch these because the stink of piss is really strong. I'm serious, my eyes are watering from the piss smell here. Strangely enough, it makes me want to pee myself. This is across the street from the library, the main branch, the Schwartzman branch. I have a photo, I'm going to dig it up, I have a copy of the New York Daily News from, I forget if it was the 70s or the 80s, somewhat infamous photo of Calvin Klein standing in one of the phone booths that used to be on that sidewalk that you're looking at right now. There used to be a row of, I think, 8 of the old green phone booths. It was a somewhat infamous paparazzi type of shot before paparazzi was really a big nuisance. But Calvin Klein could be seen holding a bag of money, ransom money for his kidnapped daughter. Interesting story. I'll add a link to my write-up of it. The library across the street, of course, is where we filmed most of the material we used for my appearance on CBS Sunday Morning, which I think was, how long has that been anyway? Has it been 4 years now? I don't know. I have no concept of time. But the two phones that used to be here had meaning to me because we filmed some follow-up footage of me just sort of fiddling with the payphones that used to be here. I guess it's what you'd call B-roll footage. And I did my best to not let my eyes water up because the stink of piss was so strong in that one. And I told them later, everybody got a laugh out of it. I didn't think it was funny at the time, but I'll take it. I do see one other phone up ahead that they didn't get, so they haven't completely routed out the remaining ones. But I'm sure they'll get to it eventually. This is not the first time I've documented these. like they're gone from Fifth Avenue and those side streets. They haven't gotten to all of them yet on 42nd Street. These Third Avenue area phones seem to be pretty persistent. This is on 43rd Street, just off of 3rd. I love when people do this. I've done this a few times myself, but I didn't do this one. It's like it's trying to escape.
Operation supervisor, he acknowledged all the way.
And this one is across the street from the last one. And that guy's coughing up a gut. I don't know if you heard that, but some guy was coughing really loud. This is one of the ones that has the mystery that I'm sure has a perfectly boring explanation. That 135802 that you see spray painted is the PPT ID that was printed on the phone. And I don't know what it means that somebody spray paints that number on the sidewalk with the word live up above it. You can barely see the word live, but that's what it says. Like I said, I'm sure it's a perfectly boring explanation, but it only started happening in the last 5 or 6 months, and it doesn't happen on all phones or by any estimate. Anyway, this is going to be all I have time for today.